Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys this creepy face tutorial on Dress to Impress. So I'm just going to select this long dress because I'm not bothered to wear an outfit right now. And I'm just going to make my skin color like super pale, but not too pale to the point where it's white. Maybe like this pale. And I'm just going to save that color. Then for the makeup, fine, I'll show it. Actually, I'll show it to you guys here because it's brighter. You are going to use these eyes. You can either use this one or the other one. Totally up to you what you want to use. And then I'll just do this one actually. Then we're going to get the heart shape. I don't remember where it is. Is it other? Okay. And we're going to color that all black. Like so. Then we're going to grab the mask, no feathers, and we're going to color it the same color as our skin. Like that. Then for the hair, I'm just going to select this one. And let's do the more animated one. And then you're going to use bangs to cover this up. I like to use this one because it really covers up the hair, but you can add more to the bangs here so it really covers it up. Just layer on some bangs here to cover this up. And that is pretty much, if you want to add splatters, you can absolutely do that using this. Make it a little bit darker though. And that is pretty much how you can make the scary face on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.